Unleash your inner artist with this moon lamp. All right, folks, ever wanted to paint your own galaxy? Introducing the HOLA Night Galaxy, Craft's birthday kit. In just 3 seconds, picture this, a starry sky right in your bedroom. Let's dive into the magic. This isn't just a lamp, it's a celestial masterpiece waiting for your touch. With a 5.9-inch spherical canvas, it's like holding the universe in your hands. Seriously, unleash your inner cosmic designer. Don't worry if you're not Van Gogh. The kit comes with all the paints and brushes you need to create your own swirling nebulas and twinkling stars. Midnight blue, cosmic purple, yep, they got it all. Just imagine your room aglow with the hues of a personalized Milky Way. And for the tech lovers, the lamp offers 16 LED colors with touch and remote controls. It's like the command center of your own personal starship right on your bedside table. Parents, listen up. This is more than a craft. It's an adventure for all ages. Perfect for parties, room decor, or a relaxing fun project for the whole family. So, why wait to spark creativity and sprinkle a little stardust into your life? Check out the link in the description and bring home your very own galaxy today.